Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in the workshop, and check out what I have here. I'll show you what I have here. This is for holding wrenches and stuff. And so you've got this, I guess these are the sizes you can put the stickers on these things, and then it comes with 2 sets of wrench holders, and I think they come apart somehow like this and whatever, so you can magnetize it onto whatever you want. So I can just put them on, and then I can hold my wrenches in there, so I can have them all easy to go. So if I just put all my wrenches, it's got plenty of good magnets that'll hold everything in, so I can have all my wrenches super easy to access, and I can just put them in. I can put the little labels on them, and they're all ready to go. So it comes with 2 sets of them, so I could hook up this one and this one here, and if you need to separate them out, you can separate them, so you can put them as far apart or together or whatever you need. But it's so cool, and you put the little stickers on there, and on these little parts right here, you can put some stickers on, so you'll have the sizes, and super cool, super accessible. You can grab what you need and go. I think it's even, was it holding it in there? Oh, yeah, there. It wasn't in all the way. I think it might magnetize on the inside too. Let me see. No, it just kind of holds it in there. So cool. I will bet that one's upside down. But yeah, so kind of holds it in there just by the location of it. But really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.